For a high-traffic family kitchen, we need durable countertops and flooring that resist stains, scratches, and daily wear. Choose engineered quartz or porcelain countertops for their non-porous surfaces and low maintenance. Quartz resists staining without sealants, and porcelain offers near indestructible heat and scratch resistance when installed on a stable substrate. For flooring, select luxury vinyl plank or porcelain tile because vinyl provides cushioning and sound reduction while porcelain delivers unmatched abrasion resistance. Install with staggered seams and full spread adhesive for vinyl and use a full bed mortar with proper backer board for tile. In heavy-use zones like the island or sink run, consider quartzite or sealed granite, which combine natural stone durability with higher heat resistance. Have them honed and then sealed annually to maintain stain resistance. Choose matte or low sheen finishes on both counters and floors to minimize the visibility of scratches and scuffs, and pick medium value tones to hide dirt between cleanings. Use transition strips at openings and rubber or felt pads on movable furniture to prevent edge chipping and concentrated wear. Finally, plan layout for traffic flow, so work triangles are not congested, and place washable runners in high spill zones to protect flooring and reduce maintenance. Common issues include visible grout staining and wear on tile floors, which you prevent by using rectified porcelain with minimal grout joints and sealing grout with a penetrating sealer. Another problem is surface chipping on stone edges, solved by specifying eased or bullnose edges and adding protective corner guards during moving or heavy use. A third concern is apparent wear on glossy finishes and visible fingerprints on countertops, which you address by selecting matte finishes and maintaining a simple weekly cleaning routine of warm water and mild pH neutral cleaner, avoiding abrasive pads. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project inspiration specific to durable countertops and flooring choices, so we can help you find professionals familiar with quartz, porcelain, quartzite, and luxury vinyl installations. We also host a discussion community where we and other homeowners and contractors share real-world tips, project photos, and vendor recommendations.